Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change language on Instagram. We start by opening Instagram and opening the Settings and Activity menu. After that, we scroll and click on the language icon. Finally, we will click on the language we want and see how it is modified in all the Instagram menus. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.